In this video, I'm going to be revealing an easy way, an easy method in which beginners can start making money online. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can start earning money online if you are a complete beginner. Something really important, guys, is that you will need to understand that in order to make money online, this is not something magical. It's something that just happened. Okay, you need to watch the entire video. And most importantly, you need to be consistent with the implementation. What we're going to be doing here is going to be affiliate marketing. We're going to be recommending other people products and services in exchange for a commission. But don't worry, this is not the traditional way. And this it can be a really lucrative way. Let me show you everything step by step. Okay, so let me go here really fast to share with you my screen. There are a couple of websites that we are actually going to be using. Okay, the first one it's called WOP. Okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open your WOP account. This is like a marketplace, to put it in a way. There are tons of products that you can actually see here. Not sure what is currently blank right now, but here on WAP, you can actually check on different websites. One really cool thing about WAP that I liked, and this is Diana's personal opinion, personal point of view, is the fact that I like the fact that you can find products that can pay you on a recurring basis. What does that mean? That these are products that you can promote once and you are going to get paid for years to come. Okay. For example, here we have the most addicting products. We have the newest, the most reviews, the hottest affiliate offers. You can see them here. Is there any bounty available? Okay. And here, for example, in the hottest affiliate, you can see that this is the amount that affiliates earning in the last 24 hours. We have here the bounty of available, most money made. Okay. So you can actually have a lot of information, right? Here you have the categories here at the top. Okay. And you can actually join it for free. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. You can actually join WAP. Okay, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for a product that is actually on a niche that we feel that we at least understand. Okay, there are different things here. For example, we have the Pokemon TG monitor. I don't know what. This is definitely not something that I can promote. I really not into the Pokemon world, but I know that there is a lot of people who are in that world. But I can go, for example, here on the personal finance. This is something that I really like. The most profitable niches, just in case that you're curious, are health, wealth, and relationships. For example, here in relationships, you can go with dating. Okay, here you can go with dating, you can go with fitness, okay, you can go with business. Okay. Um, I already did my research. Okay. What I'm looking for in my case are products that are paying on a monthly recurring base. Okay. So for example, this one, which is a transform your brand boost income. Okay. It's a great product. It's a great program. Almost $4,000. This one, almost $5,000. Okay. But I'm looking right now for this kind of program. For example, here we have Her Last Call Academy. Okay, it's $49 per month. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. This is for you to actually see how everything looks like. Okay, here we have the accelerate your sales journey with premium support. How many people are actually in right now, and these are the prices that they have. They have a 30-day trial, which is actually really good, so people can test it for 30 days, and if they enjoy it, they're gonna keep paying. They have the lifetime, which is $97, which is actually a bargain, to be honest. We have really great reviews. So I'm showing you this because I want you guys to have a look of what you are actually looking for, okay? And most important, people can become an affiliate. So I can click here and add it to my affiliate dashboard. It's a 30% reward. Okay, I already choose a couple of products that I'm going to be using for this example. For example, I have here, this is the Crystal Academy. It's number 14 on WAP, so it's a product that people are actually consuming. It's basically daily live trading, and people can join for free, but they have free access, or they can go with the $50 per month. Okay, here in the free access, they're going to have access to a free portion of Discord. They're going to have access to free education and have access to the announcements. Okay, here are the reviews. As you can see, really good reviews. What you will get, okay, uh, the Instagram account, just in case that you have some questions for the product creator. Okay, and again, I can get my um, affiliate link down here. Okay. I have another program here as well, which is the full trading crypto course, new coins, blah, 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 the digest trading and crypto, the same. It's a great program. And I have this one, which is the free picks daily. Okay. So now I have the programs that I'm going to be reviewing or checking on. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be writing a long article, but we are going to ask ChatGPT to help us. Okay. Okay. So we're going to put here, like, literally just like that. Please, please write an art. A, okay. We're going to write okay. I don't know what's writing right now, but I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a a long article. Okay, I don't know. The computer is freeze right now. Anyways, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a long article. Not this spaghetti, ChatGPT. Anyways, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a long article that I'm going to be using to promote my affiliate links. These are the products that you are going mention on it. Okay, really simple. Now I'm going to copy the links of the products here. I also have this one here. And I also have this one here. Boom. Okay, so now what ChatGPT is going to be doing is going to be writing an article about, the products that I already chose. I already show you that I choose the Crystal Academy Master, which is this one. Okay, this is the Crystal Academy. So ChatGPT is basically doing. You can be more specific. Okay, remember that this is just a quick tutorial, but you can be more specific and tell ChatGPT, like, I want a 5,000 word articles, a 10,000 word articles. Okay, really important is that you need to mention the fact that you're going to be using or promoting affiliate links. Okay, so ChatGPT knows that it needs to have call to actions. Okay, you need to have call to actions. For example, here you're going to notice that it's highlighted in blue because that's where I need to put my links. Okay, that's where I need to put my links. Okay, so now where do we put these articles? Okay, and what's the idea behind this? Okay, I went to Google and here I type top Forex groups. Here we have an article on Medium with the 5 best Forex signal groups on Telegram, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I click on it and you're going to notice that this is an article that it has been around for almost a year. It's a 9-minute article. So it's not super long, but of course it has images. And here, this is exactly what we're doing. Instead of sharing these groups, which by the way, they are affiliate links, we are sharing our own groups. Okay, we're sharing our own groups. We can actually model what we have here. Okay, we actually can model what we have here. Put if there is a logo, for example, like here. Okay, we can use those images, some other information. We can do you put the testimonials and everything that we have. So where we can share this information, okay, we can go to medium.com. You can create an account and you can literally click here where it says write, and you're going to share the article, and you can do as many articles as you want and share them here. Okay. You can go also to buckle.media and you can do that as well. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. So another website that we can use is this one is called Substack. Okay. You can create your own blog if you want. Um, you can do it with WordPress, for example. You can create your own blog, or you can also do use System.io. You can actually create a blog. If you use the link below in the description, you can create a free account for System.io, and you can have your blog up and running on that platform for free as well. Okay. So you can share this information, and this information, guys, it's really valuable information. So people are not like, oh yeah, another site that you can do, you can also do, well, but this is going to be taking, a little bit more effort. You can create actually a YouTube video about it. Nowadays, you can even create videos with AI. I already talk about that in other videos, but just for you to have an information, or you can do a video just like what I'm doing right now, sharing your screen, telling your opinion, checking the websites, doing a review that way. Okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.